Hi crew, thank you so much for your interest, and today we're gonna walk through a really cool new feature by OpenArt which is called Worlds, and it allows you essentially to create whole 3D worlds which you can navigate like a computer game just from prompt or from a single photo or like from a couple of photos. It's such a cool thing that I definitely had to share with you. So let's jump right into the 3D worlds. You have all of that stuff like frame to video, create image, characters, all of that inside OpenArt. But what really is of interest to us is the tab worlds. Let's go and press create 3D world. Here I've already selected the photos. So first of all, I just went on the street close to my house and I just took photos of it. What I did, I just took the frontal photo, I did the left, right, and back photo, and that was it. So essentially what you should do is just drop the photos here. If you have only one photo, then you can describe the scenes, what you want, how you want it to look. If you have more photos, you just drop all of them, which then doesn't let you describe the scene, but it gives you more control, obviously, with the images that you have. So you just drop those 4 photos, 4 angles for the most precise control. Make sure that, so for example, here is front, back, right, and left. This is how I shot it. So you just will receive the same image. The AI will interpret it exactly how you specified it. Just press create 3D world and that's it. I'll go and browse the library. Already jump into the original world that I've created. From my photos, let's go here. This is the preview. Yeah, so this is gonna be your world. Looks like this. You can navigate it, fly around it. So the best look is obviously close to the point where you took the photo. And the further you get, the less polygons and all that you will get. But the main thing is that you have the consistent kind of studio environment specifically for your photos. What can you do with that environment? So if you want to get the character inside, you can create characters through OpenArt as well. I won't be covering how you create them, but it's super easy, just upload your photos. And what you do next for that, you just press take shots, check out specify the aspect ratio that you really need for it, select the focal length for whatever needs you have. You can still navigate with that. So, and then you just go to character library, and for example, this one, I would like to have my realistic character, so it's gonna be original, and I have the name for it, original, so just place at original right in the middle of the shot. As simple as this. You can auto-enhance the shot, just press take the shot, and the shot will be in your library. So I have a bunch of them here that I've created already. You have to be specific with prompts, but you can stay really consistent. So here it looks great. What is even better about that tool is that you can go to create image. Yeah, just go out of here. And then you can create the whole new worlds from your photos. So you see I've been doing a lot here, a lot. How I was creating the photos themselves. So I was dropping one photo, like the frontal photo. For example, I prompted like change this image. Look to the look of Fallout TV series Wasteland, and in that image 3. Don't change the composition. Yellowish color, does it look film realistic look? And it changed it like that. Same stuff goes for Cyberpunk. Same stuff goes for every other image. Like here, Minecraft, obviously Lego, all of that. And in the end, I ended up with same images that I was using to create my new worlds. Same goes for here. Everywhere, Minecraft, Lego, Fallout. Super cool. Then, with the same approach, I just changed my characters to have a couple of looks of them. Here, for example, I just prompted to have it like at four angles in one photo and just create characters with that, different ones. And I just went to the worlds once again, to any world like that. For example, the Lego world. And I just created shots exactly where I needed. Like this one, for example, you may see the thumbnail. I used one of those ones for the thumbnail. Anything, like look from behind. It's all being generated. But when you specify it correctly, it will stand in the very correct position that you would want to have. All of that was also generated inside. For example, if we take the cyberpunk world, you can see the generations here. They stay pretty consistent. And you can always try one once again. So it's a really cool tool to have. It all stays in your library forever. You can return there. You have the perfect environmental consistency and hope that it will be helpful to your workflow. And I'm pretty sure it will get better and better throughout the time. And also keep in mind that, for example, if you have the world that doesn't look as perfect here, after you create your shot, it will be enhanced with some AI, generative AI. I think it's Nano Banana, and it will look perfect. So this is also something to keep in mind, that the main thing is that you keep the composition here in place. This is like the most powerful thing about it. So the composition is there, which gives you consistency, and then the look is enhanced afterwards. So keep that in mind. It's a really powerful thing. Yeah. Hope it was helpful. See you next time.